I already said that it's not defined which one to draw. The desired number would be 24. The first step. The first thing I should do is to fix this landing here and change it. Let me tell you a point. It's really good to know. This landing here now is automatic, so we can't change the form. And I told you that as long as it's automatic, when you change the run, this one also balances. Alright? And when you convert this to the sketch mode, and then you change the run, like this, it's not like before anymore, So, when it's not automatic, the landing does not change with the run. But when it's automatic, it does. And now when I convert this one to the sketch 2, and I change it, it doesn't balance. Oh, that's a bit high. You see that? It doesn't change anymore. Anyway, now, if you want to draw that second example, first of all, we need to convert it to the sketch. But remember not to edit this before drawing that new form of that second example. So, first of all, I click on the boundary and then draw that second example first. Now a question. How can I have a hexagonal that one of its faces is 1.5 centimeters? If you think a little, you know that there was a solution for it in AutoCAD, and you can do the same here. First of all, you need to select this and then click on scale, and this must be scale reference. In AutoCAD, we had to click on R after this scale to go to that reference mode, but here it's automatic. So let's do it. And that's it. After this was finished, alright, you can delete that one and then click on finish. Then the unjoined message appears, which is natural because we moved the landing, but based on what we learned, we should not fear this unjoin. So click on it, but check it in 3D immediately to see if it's upside down. But it's not, so it can be fixed. So now we need to connect these runs to it. So I select this and then copy it, and then I connect it from here. The first or the second line? That's right, the second line. Now, something funny happened here, and that's I can't put it on the first line. I can't even put it on the midpoint of the second line exactly, because this line is nearly in the direction of the other line. So other snaps are not working now. Anytime in Revit that the snap you want is not given to you, you just need to tap. It kind of exits this locked mode. You see, now you want the midpoint, but it doesn't show it to you. If you tap, it will get free. And that's it. Now I want to place another one here. I can move and then rotate it. I can also align it. I click on align. Then I select it and then move it to the right place, right here. The other side is so simple, I just mirror. Right now, a lot of people make a very big mistake. They actually say, why do we bother? We got 3 runs here, we can easily mirror these 3. Which is definitely wrong, because now they're at the bottom. It's the other one which is at the top. And you can't mirror these, because if you do this, it will be more like a platform rather than stair. So we must use this one. Alright? Now, another common mistake that many people make, and that's, let me undo first. Well, a lot of people make a mistake, and that's instead of editing sketch first, at first they delete this. And then they go to this option, which we didn't talk about too much. We have an option beneath the run, which is called landing. So they click on this landing, and then there is a pencil there, a sketch. So they click on it and design a new landing, just like this. I don't say it's a wrong way, it's not a good way, because we don't need to do this, just like this. Now, what did go wrong here? That's right, the landing is not in the right height. In the last method, we edited the same landing because it was in the right height. But this one is not, so we need to fix the height first. Let me put this here so that you can see it. So you can select this, and here it tells you where the base is and where the top is. So what you need to do now is to copy this top. But you might say, why copy? Well, it's 2000, we can write it. Well, I should tell you that it's not always such round number, so it's better to copy it and then select it, and that's it. Now they have a connection, but before that you need to check it. I told you some methods. You check it to make sure that there is connection. And now we are sure that everything is okay. Also remember that while you're drawing your stairs must never have the base offset. Well, of course, the stairs of the first ramp. The second ramp starts from a different height. But generally, the stairs must not have a base offset. So, if we draw the landing separated, which I said is useless, we need to adjust the height again. But if suddenly while working you find out that it was a mistake, you can click on this landing and then use this pick two runs option. If two runs have the right heights, they can connect to each other again. Alright, like this. Like this. Now if you see, the top height of this one is 2000 and the base height of the other one is also 2000. So by using this landing, they connect to each other again. Sometimes you might delete a landing unwillingly, so you can use this option. Alright, now I want you to draw these two kinds of stairs so that we can go to next level.